Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Topi Manalo here, and today we are going to unbox our latest gadget that we ordered sa Shopee. This is the DJI Osmo 360 standard combo. I got this sa DJI Philippines, to sa official store ni Shopee. If you are interested in buying this similar item, you can go ahead and check out the link dito sa description ng video natin para makasiguro kayo na you are getting a legit and original item. So let's go ahead and open the box. We might need this one here kasi may plastic pa siya. Okay. So while I'm opening this item, I would like to invite you guys to watch our last video, yung ating failed ride sa Marilaki. So, ayan na. So, this is the box. It still has a parang tape on the side. So, there is this green arrow here. We need to pull out. Okay. And here it is. So basic na basic lang to, mga kamoto, no? You have one plastic here. I think this is the camera itself, and you have this box. So this box contains your lens protector, I believe, and your battery. And of course, you have your DJI sticker and manuals. Tabi muna natin yung box. And let's arrange this. Ayan. So this is what's inside the standard combo. This one here is your lens protector and your USB cable. Over here is your battery. So this is a 1950 milliampere. Here you got your sticker. You got your quick start guide. You have your safety guidelines, and this is your QR code for the DJI Store app and DJI Forum. And then, this is your main unit. Comes with a soft carrying pouch. And yan. The carrying pouch comes with silica gel, and this is your lens cleaner, and this is the main unit. All right. And again, like I mentioned, sa standard combo, talagang very basic ang laman. So this is your 360 unit. This is the rubber lens protector. You have a battery. You have a USB-C charger cable. And your protective pouch. Plus, of course, your lens cleaner. Quick impression tayo, guys, dun sa unit. It feels sturdy. Very solid. Maganda yung texture niya. I love how it fits your hand, and it's really light and small. Parang feeling ko mas mabigat pa yung GoPro ko with the media mode and the lens mode. So may mga sticker pa siya sa gilid, mga indicators on how to open yung mga door panels natin. So let's go ahead and open this part here. This is where the battery is, and we will just insert our battery, then close. Make sure na wala kayong makikitang kahit anong kulay pula. That indicates that you closed the door panel properly and that hindi makakapasok ang tubig. So let's go ahead and power up the unit. To power it up, press nyo lang yung power button on the side. One quick press. And you will see it will ask you for your language. So, yung mga language na available. Of course, let's go with English. And it will give you a QR code. Sabi niya dito, scan to download the app and connect to the device for activation. So, sa initial setup guys, kakailanganin nyo yung mobile phone nyo. And with me, na-download ko na yung DJI Mimo na application. Anyways, pag kinunan nyo naman yung QR code na yan, it will lead you to either sa Play Store or sa App Store para ma-download nyo yung application. So, open natin yung ating DJI Mimo. Kita nyo, automatic. Pag launch nyo ng application, madidetect na niya yung unit ninyo. So, I highly suggest na i-connect nyo sa initial setup para ma-download ng brand nyo na unit yung mga important na firmware. Kasi syempre, kailangan ng firmware ng camera natin is always up to date. So, let's go ahead and connect this mobile dun sa ating brand new device. Yan. Sa first connection, lalabas yan yung pairing number. All you need to do is to accept dito. May lalabas na to. Agree, agree, agree. Just need to click agree. Allow access. Enable. Next. Activate. Once you activated your device, lalabas yan yung activation success. And then you just go ahead and get started. So, magpapakita lang yan ng mga ganyan. Information, 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 and sa huling-huli yung update firmware regularly. Pag-click nyo ng next, i-ask kayo na mag-join dun sa Wi-Fi nitong mismong DJI Osmo na unit. Okay, so for some reason guys, hindi nag-activate na maayos yung ating device. Pero hindi siya connect dun sa DJI Mimo kanina. So I have to reset everything. Pero once I powered it back on together with the application, I relaunched it. Ano na, activated na yung mismong device natin, yung ating camera. However, I think we still need to upgrade the firmware. So let's go ahead and click the download. So ito, it will bring you to this firmware update page. All you need to do is click install. And depending on how fast yung internet connection nyo, doon magkakatalo yung kung gaano kabilis o gaano kabagal mag-update yung firmware. So dito nagkakaroon na tayo ng delay. And according to the DJI Osmo, the update is in progress and we just have to wait for 2 minutes. So actually, mukhang hindi naabuti ng 2 minutes dahil 85% na yung ating status ng installation ng firmware. Okay. Once it's done, makikita nyo yan, update success. Click nyo lang yung done. And your DJI Osmo will restart on its own. And ayan, nakita nyo, nakalagay, updated. So just need to connect. And that's it. Okay guys, so let's do a quick walkthrough sa camera. This is a very light and compact unit. If I'm not mistaken, I think this is only 183 grams. So the camera has 2 lenses. Isa dito sa front, isa dito sa back. these lenses are very sensitive. So be careful in handling it, in touching it, in dropping it. Ako, I'd suggest na when you put it on top of a table, make sure na dito siya nakapatong sa cloth type natin na carrying pouch para ensured na talagang hindi magagasgas tong lens na to. Kasi alam ko, ang pagpapapalit nito, kailangan dali mo pa sa service center eh. Hindi mo siya kayang palitan, unlike yung competitor niya. It has 4 built-in microphones. You have one dito sa front, dalawa sa taas, and another one sa likod. It has this LED light indicator. Yan, sa harap. Dito naman sa side, andyan yung power button. And the speaker, yung naririnig yung tunog, dito nang gagaling yan. Andito rin yung charging port. Yan. So, ganun din. Slide to the right, and then slide down para mabuksan mo yan. Ayan, dyan yung charging port na USB-C type. And dito naman sa likod ng cam is your touch screen. You have your record button, and this is the function button. Yung bottom part ng camera has this, kung makikita niyo yan, yung 4 na parang tuldok. Charging port yan actually. Charging connector yan if you're going to purchase yung self-charging selfie stick ng DJI. So, pag kinabit nyo yan dito, yun pala, pag kinabit nyo yan dito, automatic nag-charge na siya. Kasi yung selfie stick na yun, merong parang power bank, may battery siyang kasama. Also, it has the mounting screw for our 420 thread type, and yung quick release na magnetic mounting. Overall, I think this is going to be a solid camera. I never really had the chance of using one. And I'll be honest with you guys, sanay na ako sa action cam na you point it and you need to reframe it in such a way kung ano yung gusto nyo maging output ng video nyo. With this is a totally new ball game for me. Kaya naman I'll be studying on how to use this, and I'll try and learn on how this is going to benefit yung ating mga upcoming videos. So, sasuggest ko lang sa inyo mga kamoto, standby kayo, and I'll definitely share with you yung ating mga new videos that will come out from this latest device natin, the DJI Osmo 360. By the way, I got this unit for 19,990. Pero alam niyo naman, syempre, sa Shopee, meron tayong mga available na vouchers and everything, discounts. So, with the discount that I got, all in all, binayaran ko dito is 18,490. I hope you like this quick unboxing video. Pahit na lang ng like button natin. Also, if you have any comments or suggestions, sulat nyo na lang dyan. I will try and read them as much as I can. And kung interested kayo to buy this unit, go ahead and check out the description of this video. Meron akong link dyan para i-direct kayo kung saang official store ko binili itong unit na to. And of course, if you are new to my channel, I would like to invite you to please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification for more updates. Again, maraming salamat mga kamoto. Topi Manalo po. Until next time, kita-kits po tayo. Bye-bye!